This is what your Samsung is going to look like by the end of this video. No root, no paid apps, and it only takes 5 minutes, and let me show you how. Firstly, as you can see, I'm on my laptop and I'm screen recording my phone to my laptop as well, so you can see both sides. Firstly, I'm going to go to display, and then from display, I'm going to go navigation bar and then swipe gestures. And as you can see, it's basically like an iPhone with a swipe gestures thing. And next is going to be called private DNS. And this is the way of blocking all your ads. So if you press private DNS provider, and then you just search one up on Google, you could just use any of them. I'm going to use dns.adguard.com, and as you can see, it will block ads when you go to it. Next, if you go to battery protection either from the top or you search it up, this will just help your battery last longer, a couple more years than it should do. And the next thing you should do is if you search up touch sensitivity, this will make your phone more interactive and better. And then motion smoothness will make your phone a bit more, like the refresh rate to be a bit better and stuff like that. And then if you go to fingerprints also and add multiple, it will be better than just one. And also there's going to be modes and routines, and this just helps you like fast track and make you more efficient, and it's nothing that crazy. But then you go to memory, and then if you go to RAM plus and then either turn this off, or you can even maybe just decrease it, but then you'll have more storage in the actual, like your actual storage kind of. Next, if you go to Play Store, then either search up CC Cleaner or just any storage cleaner. This will just make your phone run faster because you have more storage. And another thing you can do is if you search up unused apps, this will put unused apps to sleep so you can have more battery again. So this is all just makes your phone a bit quicker. If you put auto optimization on, this will just make your phone update more often. Or if you go to accessibility and then vision enhancements, you can reduce animation and reduce transparency and blur, and this makes it a bit better. This way is the very good way. So if you go to about phone, then software information, and if you just press build number a couple of times, I've already done this obviously, but you go to developer mode and there's loads and loads of options here. And then you could turn your animation scale down, which makes your phone a bit more interactive. You could do all these things to make your phone a little bit better. And if you're on old Android and you turn USB debugging on, this means you'll be able to make a new Android. I'm not going to do this tutorial today, but you can do it.